In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you how I made more than 3 BNB in just few days, putting my money inside bnbminer.finance. And of course, if you have watched my videos before, you can see that I've created a lot of contents about BNB Miner and why you shouldn't miss this one out as well. Okay, so previously the contract balance was around 900, but now it's around 1,800, and more people are still putting money here, also making some passive income, 3% every day. And of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome update. So let's just jump right into it, okay? So BNB Miner, okay? So you will be able to get 3% daily, allowing investors to rest easy, knowing that their investments have unlimited growth potential and a maximum improbable risk of less than 3%. So this contract is already verified. So let's just open this so that I will be show to you. Okay, so you can see here that there are more than 1,700 BNB into this part right here that has a value of more than 700,000. And I'm also going to show you how much I've made in BNB Miner. Okay, this is a frequent transactions that I've withdrawing into this mining game. Okay, last 2 hours 32 minutes ago, I've made more than 2.93 BNB, which of course translates to more than 1,200 in USD. Okay, as you can see, it is already here, and this is the exact transaction. So this is the account that I'm using. So you see that it is from the contract, which is the verified one, and it's being transported into my money. So the value is 2.93 again, and this is just really easy. Okay, once you have a miner inside the game, what you just need to do here is just enter the BNB that you want to get, that you want to put inside this platform. Let's say I want to put 2 BNB, and then just click hire 147,748.96 miners. Okay, so for every BNB you are getting a corresponding miners. Okay, so what you could do also here is, after you've already get your mined BNB, you can also use this for you to be able to get more miners, which in turn will make you more money, because of course you are like compounding your money inside this game as well. So as you can see here, this is my balance. And if you're curious, like how can you withdraw this money, okay? A lot of people do not know how to do this, so that's why I'm going to show it to you right now into the screen right here. So I'm just going to send this into my address, and I'm going to send 2.93 BNB inside this, okay? And then I'm just going to, like, let's say I'm going to log in first into my Binance, so that you will be able to see that what I'm doing is legit and I'm not fooling anyone here as well. Okay, so let's just log in here, and then log in via QR code via my mobile, and then just click the authorize into your mobile, and after that this will load, and you'll be able to view how much money that you have inside. And as you can see here, in my overview, I do not have any. Okay, but look at this. Okay, I'm going to transfer this BNB miner profits into my Binance. This is just how easy it is. Just send it, okay, into your address. I think this is my account, okay, and then I'm just going to put 2.93 BNB, and of course just click the send button, and let's just wait for a few more minutes. And actually it will appear here, okay? So it will appear actually here. So let's just clear it all. So I'm going to click the notifications. So it will appear here, okay? There will be a notification that it is on the way, okay? Oh my god, this P2P is just pain in the ass, okay? Oh my. Let me just like let's just wait for a few more seconds. So it will actually appear here into my fiat and spot. And if you're going to wait for a few more seconds, okay, I think it is already a process. So we go into the activity, it is pending. So after this has been completed, the money will appear inside your into your Binance account. Okay, so as you can see here, this is success. Okay, let me just wait for a few more seconds. Okay, so it is on process in my phone. So let's just wait for few more what do you call that? Few more seconds. So as you can see here, my money is now inside my Binance.com account. Let's just refresh it again. And as you can see here, this is the money that I've earned in BNB Miner, and this is the BNB that I have. And if I want to convert it into a USDT, I'm just going to click this convert and then just type in the BNB and then go into the USDT and then just click the max and just preview the conversion and you just convert it. Okay, so after you've done that, guys, if you want to withdraw it, just put this. Okay, just what do you call that, you go back into the fiat and spot and then you transfer this into a funding wallet. So this is a P2P, so just type in USDT and then just click confirm here, and it will be automatically into your funding, which of course after you've done that, you can just directly sell it into a PHP token, which is Philippine peso if you are from the Philippines. So let's type in PHP. So this is the PHP, and now you can sell your USDT. Just that's how easy it is for you to be able it. And as you can see here, if I'm going to sell mine, let's say I'm going to click all, you can see that I'm going to receive more than 60,000 pesos in PHP, which of course is around $1,200. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates, and see you on the next video.